Hello, globe hoppers. Have you ever dreamed of working from a beach in Bali or a cafe in Berlin? Welcome to the age of digital nomadism, a revolutionary lifestyle that's transforming the traditional office setup. In this new era, the world is your office. All you need is a laptop, a reliable internet connection, and a sense of adventure to work from anywhere in the world. Imagine spending your mornings working on a project, your afternoons exploring new cities, and your evenings enjoying local cuisine or networking with fellow digital nomads. It's a lifestyle that combines the thrill of travel with the stability of a professional career or a business venture. But the digital nomad lifestyle is not just about work and travel. It's also about immersing yourself in diverse cultures, meeting people from all walks of life, and experiencing different ways of living. It's about the freedom to live life on your own terms, to choose your own path, and to create your own story. Of course, this lifestyle comes with its own set of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is finding the perfect spot to settle down, even if it's just for a short while. You need a place that not only offers high-speed internet and a comfortable living environment, but also provides opportunities for social interaction and cultural exploration. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We have scoured the globe and handpicked some of the world's top digital nomad hotspots, considering factors such as connectivity, cost of living, community, and cultural experience. We've found places that offer not just a great working environment, but also a rich cultural experience, a supportive community, and an affordable lifestyle. So whether you're a seasoned digital nomad looking for your next destination, or a newbie considering taking the plunge into this exciting lifestyle, this guide will provide valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. In this video, we'll walk you through some of the world's top digital nomad hotspots. So buckle up and let's embark on this exciting journey together. When choosing the ideal digital nomad destination, what factors should you consider? The answer lies in 4 key criteria. First, let's talk about connectivity. In this digital age, high-speed internet access is as essential as air and water. It's the lifeblood of remote work. So the perfect nomad hotspot must offer reliable Wi-Fi. Whether you're working from a cozy cafe, a bustling co-working space, or the comfort of your own accommodation. Secondly, let's not forget about the cost of living. While living a nomadic lifestyle can be exciting, it shouldn't cost you an arm and a leg. The ideal destination offers a comfortable lifestyle that won't have you dipping into your savings. From affordable housing to reasonably priced meals and transportation, every penny counts when you're a digital nomad. Next up, community. It's always easier to transition to a new city when you have like-minded individuals around you. A strong presence of fellow digital nomads and expats can provide both a support network and social engagements. Plus, networking within these communities can open up new opportunities and collaborations you may not have found otherwise. Last, but by no means least, we have the cultural experience. Life isn't just about work, even for digital nomads. The chance to immerse yourself in local culture, explore breathtaking landscapes, and engage in leisure activities can truly enrich your nomadic lifestyle. Whether it's learning a new language, trying out local cuisines, or participating in traditional festivals, these experiences can be as rewarding as the work you do. So there you have it. When you're choosing your next digital nomad destination, remember the 4 C's: connectivity, cost of living, community, and cultural experience. Keep these in mind, and you're sure to find a place that's not just a workspace, but also a home away from home. Now let's dive into our top picks for digital nomad hotspots around the globe. Our first stop is the tropical paradise of Southeast Asia. This region, known for its rich cultural diversity and stunning landscapes, offers digital nomads an unparalleled lifestyle experience. First up is Bali, Indonesia. This island, with its lush greenery and spiritual culture, is a haven for remote workers. Connectivity here is top-notch with a plethora of co-working spaces like Hubud and Outpost, which offer reliable high-speed internet. The cost of living in Bali is quite affordable, which means you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. What's more, Bali boasts a vibrant expat community where you can network with fellow nomads and engage in social activities. And when work is done, there's always the chance to immerse in the local culture, explore the stunning landscapes, or simply enjoy a sunset on the beach. Next, we journey to Chiang Mai, Thailand. This city is a digital nomad favorite, and for good reason. With a low cost of living, warm climate, and rich cultural heritage, Chiang Mai offers a unique blend of work and leisure. The city is replete with co-working spaces and cafes, making it an ideal workspace for remote professionals. Plus, the strong presence of fellow nomads and expats makes transitioning to this city a breeze. Beyond work, Chiang Mai provides ample opportunities for cultural immersion. From exploring ancient temples to indulging in flavorful Thai cuisine, there's always something to enrich your nomadic lifestyle. In essence, Southeast Asia, with its blend of affordability, strong connectivity, supportive community, and enriching cultural experiences, makes it a prime choice for digital nomads. Whether you choose the spiritual island of Bali or the cultural city of Chiang Mai, these Asian gems offer an affordable lifestyle without compromising the quality of life. So, if you're a digital nomad in search of your next destination, why not consider the tropical paradise of Southeast Asia? It's more than just a place to work. It's a place to live, learn, and experience the world in a whole new way. Next, we hop over to the rich and diverse continent of Europe. Known for its history, culture, and innovation, this region also offers some of the best destinations for digital nomads. Let's start with Lisbon, Portugal. This coastal city is not just a feast for the eyes with its stunning architecture and beautiful landscapes, but it also boasts a mild climate, making it a comfortable place to live year-round. But what about connectivity? Lisbon has you covered. The city is rapidly growing as a tech hub, and you'll find reliable high-speed internet in its co-working spaces, cafes, and accommodations. And let's not forget the cost of living. Despite its rising popularity, Lisbon remains affordable, allowing digital nomads to enjoy an excellent quality of life without straining their budget. Moreover, Lisbon has a vibrant and supportive community of digital nomads and expats. This makes it easy to connect with like-minded individuals, network, and even make new friends. And when it's time to log off and explore, the city's rich history and culture provide endless opportunities for enrichment and leisure. From Lisbon, we move north to Berlin, Germany. Known for its vibrant culture, art scene, and history, Berlin is a hotspot for creatives and entrepreneurs. Like Lisbon, Berlin offers reliable connectivity, making it an ideal place for remote work. The city is also relatively affordable compared to other Western European capitals, offering a comfortable lifestyle that won't break the bank. But it's not all work in Berlin. The city is a cultural melting pot, with numerous museums, galleries, and historical sites to explore. Plus, it offers a diverse culinary scene that will take your taste buds on a journey around the world. And let's not forget the thriving community of digital nomads and expats, ready to welcome newcomers with open arms and share their experiences of living and working in this dynamic city. So, there you have it. From the sunny shores of Lisbon to the bustling streets of Berlin, these European cities offer a mix of culture, history, and affordability. Whether you're a seasoned digital nomad or just starting your journey, Europe has plenty to offer. Now, let's jet off to the vibrant and lively Latin America. Our first stop is Medellín, Colombia. Once notorious, Medellín has undergone a remarkable transformation into a safe, modern city that enjoys a spring-like climate all year round. It's a city that thrives on connectivity, with high-speed internet readily available in co-working spaces, cafes, and accommodations. This makes it an ideal spot for digital nomads to work and connect with the world. Medellín is also a city that values affordability. The cost of living here is quite reasonable, allowing digital nomads to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Whether you're dining out, shopping for groceries, or renting an apartment, you'll find that your money goes a long way. But what truly sets Medellín apart is its growing community of digital nomads. This supportive network of like-minded individuals makes transitioning to a new city easier. It offers opportunities for networking, social engagements, and forming lasting friendships. Beyond work, Medellín offers a rich cultural experience. From exploring lush green parks and botanical gardens, to immersing yourself in the city's history at the Museum of Antioquia, there's always something to do. Next, we venture to the bustling metropolis of Mexico City, Mexico. This city offers a mix of modern amenities and rich culture that makes it an attractive choice for digital nomads. With reliable Wi-Fi readily available, you can stay connected and work from virtually anywhere. Mexico City is also known for its low cost of living. Here you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle complete with delicious food, vibrant nightlife, and a diverse range of leisure activities. The city boasts an ever-growing community of remote workers, creating a supportive and engaging environment for digital nomads. And when it's time to take a break from work, immerse yourself in Mexico City's rich culture. Discover ancient ruins, visit world-class museums, or simply savor the city's renowned culinary scene. These Latin American cities are fast becoming favorites among the digital nomad community. Whether it's the year-round spring climate of Medellín or the vibrant culture of Mexico City, Latin America offers an array of experiences that enrich the nomadic lifestyle. Finally, we land in the diverse and dynamic North America. Here we find two cities that have become increasingly popular among digital nomads: Austin, Texas in the United States, and Montreal in Canada. Both cities offer a unique blend of connectivity, cost of living, community, and cultural experience. Let's start with Austin. Known for its booming tech scene, Austin is a city that is as connected as they come. Reliable, high-speed Wi-Fi is readily available in numerous co-working spaces, cafes, and accommodations throughout the city. And when it comes to cost of living, Austin balances affordability with a high quality of life. The city's vibrant cultural scene, rich with music, art, and food, is a bonus that enriches the nomadic lifestyle. But what makes Austin particularly appealing is its strong community of remote workers. Here you'll find a network of professionals who understand the digital nomad lifestyle and provide a supportive environment for newcomers. Next, we fly north to Montreal, Canada. This city is known for its multicultural vibe, excellent food, and bilingual community, offering a unique blend of North American modernity and European charm. Like Austin, Montreal offers reliable connectivity, with numerous co-working spaces and cafes equipped with high-speed internet. The cost of living here is balanced by the city's high quality of life and the rich cultural experiences it offers. From exploring historic neighborhoods to indulging in the city's diverse food scene, there's always something to do in Montreal. And let's not forget the city's supportive community of digital nomads and expats, which provides a welcoming environment for those new to the city or to the digital nomad lifestyle. These North American cities provide a blend of modern amenities and cultural richness. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant energy of Austin or the unique charm of Montreal, both offer an ideal environment for digital nomads to live, work, and play. So, pack your laptop and let your digital nomad adventure begin. We've journeyed through enchanting landscapes, vibrant cities, and multicultural societies, each offering unique opportunities for digital nomads. The world is full of incredible destinations for digital nomads, each offering a unique set of advantages. Whether you're drawn to the tropical beaches of Southeast Asia, the historic cities of Europe, the vibrant cultures of Latin America, or the diverse landscapes of North America, there's a spot for every type of remote worker. This guide is just the beginning of your journey. As the digital nomad community continues to grow and evolve, discovering a vibrant digital nomad community can transform your remote work journey, offering companionship, networking opportunities, and insights into the nomadic lifestyle. If you wish to explore further into the nomadic lifestyle or find destinations, then you must subscribe to our channel, Globe Hopper, for similar content. We've also created a condensed guide to finding these communities worldwide. First, utilize social media and online platforms. Platforms like Facebook and Reddit are treasure troves for digital nomads. Look for city-specific groups or forums like Digital Nomads in Bali. Find local events, advice, and meetups. Nomad List is another excellent resource, providing city rankings based on livability factors for nomads, and a Slack channel for real-time discussions. Secondly, co-working and co-living spaces are not just for work. They're community hubs. They host events, workshops, and social gatherings, making them perfect for meeting fellow nomads. Look into popular networks like WeWork, or local spots known for their digital nomad clientele. Third, attend specialized conferences and retreats. Events like the Nomad Summit or Running Remote are fantastic for deep connections and learning from seasoned nomads. Finally, for a unique experience, consider joining a nomad cruise, combining travel with networking. Also, engaging in local culture through language exchanges or meetups can open doors to friendships and community ties. Remember, when choosing your next destination, consider the 4 key factors: connectivity, cost of living, community, and cultural experience. High-speed internet is non-negotiable for remote work. You'll want to find a place where you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. A strong presence of fellow nomads and expats can make transitioning to a new city easier. And beyond work, the chance to immerse in local culture, explore nature, and engage in leisure activities enriches the nomadic lifestyle. The rise of remote work has opened up a world of possibilities. Once you have located your hotspot, there are a few engagement tips for navigating your new place in the world. You start by being proactive. Don't hesitate to introduce yourself and participate in community events. The digital nomad community is known for its welcoming nature. Share your skills. Offering workshops or skill-sharing sessions can be a fantastic way to give back and make connections. Stay open and respectful. Embrace the diversity of the nomad community and the cultures of your host countries. We encourage you to explore the digital nomad lifestyle and find your perfect spot in the world. Remember, the world is your office. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. As always, be kind.